guys, the plan for this video is to build a super quiet PC for the studio room. Ideally it would be a silent one, but that's kind of impossible. My old computer was running quite loud, so I'll do some SPL meter readings on the old computer and with the room just background noise, and then with the new computer. Yeah, so enjoy. Right, so the plan is I got this big, huge case, which is a, how's the brand? GameMax Silent ATX Tower. So it's just a big case with some sound dampening. Then we have a new motherboard, which came pre-assembled for me because I was too lazy to put it together myself. But it's basically an Asus Prime something or other. It has 3.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 32 gigs RAM, so it'll be about 4 times faster than the old computer. And it doesn't come with FireWire, so I had to get one of them so that I can use my M-Audio mobile, or M-Audio Profire, sorry. Then I got a silent Noctua fan to install in the case, just to lower that noise a bit. Then a solid state drive to replace the hard drive I used to have, because this has no moving parts and will be silent. Then from the old computer I'm taking my Corsair power supply. This should be 800 watt, which is overpowered, which means it won't be running too hot and it won't have to cool itself with a fan so much, so it'll be quieter. And I'm taking my LG CD drive, which still works perfectly, and putting that in here. And the terabyte old hard drive that I used to use as a storage drive, which I have already transferred all the important files and whatnot that I want to keep from the old computer. So yeah, just fast forward this and build a new computer. Right, so at the listening position, the old computer comes in at roughly 33, 34. We'll say 34 decibels. Now this is not very accurate because it's just a phone app, but just to give a rough idea. And then in the room with the computer switched off, we have an ambient noise level of 23, 24, roughly. So the goal will be to be somewhere below the 34 level. It probably won't be completely silent, but hopefully it will be close enough to silent. And yeah. Right, so now the new computer is built, and it's very windy today unfortunately, so I am trying to get this app to kind of pause at a point where the wind has died down to get an accurate reading. Just 2 seconds and I'll try that. Okay, we're getting like 30 with the wind howling, which is already quieter than the old PC. Okay, yeah, the low point seems to be about 27, so the average for the old PC was 34 when the room is actually silent. I need to do a bit of soundproofing. There's an old chimney here as well that is causing extra noise. But yeah, 27 is a huge improvement. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check back next week for more audio nonsense. Cheers.